Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Buick Encore key fob. This is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. You will only need two simple items: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob quickly and efficiently. To begin, locate the small silver button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the emergency key. Slide this key out completely. Next, insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take care to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the round, coin-shaped battery. It is typically a CR 2032 battery. Observe how the old battery is positioned, usually with the positive side facing down. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side faces down, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.